Hi friends, I'm going to jump right into this project. I received so many great comments and feedback on Instagram, and like I said, if you haven't followed my Instagram yet, you might want to follow that account. I post projects there first. These rings slip off so perfect, and it's just awesome because you don't have to use any wire cutters to cut a wreath apart. They just come apart themselves, and I chose to work with 2 of those rings. You'll need some floral tape and some floral wire and some wire cutters or some floral cutters, because you need to cut your flowers. So all these bundles were picked up from the Dollar Tree. Please feel free to use any flowers that you have on hand from Michael's, Hobby Lobby and such. These are from Walmart. This is lamb ears or lamb some lamb ears, and again I chose 2 rings to work with. And those bundles at Walmart are $2. And they also had these awesome eucalyptus stems that you can see on the floral spring wall that I created. And I'm going to start off with this little bundle here, and I'm going to use both to create a floral wreath, as you can see. Now, I've never made floral wreaths myself. I'm just kind of going with what I think and how they should go. I didn't want to use the glue gun with these because the glue gun can get so messy and you'll end up burning your fingers more than you like. So I ended up cutting those with my little floral cutter there, or I'm sorry, with my wire cutter. And I was trying to visualize exactly what I wanted. Obviously, that other bundle didn't match. Or if you do the wire technique, this is gluing, and it's flat and it's ugly, and you can't really glue a stem that is actually you expect to stay on that wreath wire, because it's just not going to happen. So this is what versus using wire versus gluing looks like. Base, you're going to do the wire, but for the top on this one we're going to use a glue gun for those rose pieces. So all I did was take each piece off of the stem and decided to glue them together, which was one on top, one to the side, in between that wire wreath. So I did this because I wanted to show you again what it looks like versus with wire. It actually looked pretty good, I'm not gonna lie. The only thing is, again, it's not secure like using your wire is. That was done with wire, and this one is done with the hot glue gun. I hope that you guys like these wreaths. They are easy and fun, and you can totally decorate your little one's space or your own place. And I just again hope that you like these. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so now. If you like this video, hit the like button. So this is how I ended up styling mine. I actually did this spring wall decor in my shed. I absolutely love it. The link is in the profile below, or I'm sorry, in the description box below, and it's on creating those baskets you see there. Thanks guys for watching. I hope you guys all have a great week and happy crafting. Thanks guys. Bye.